In this video, I'll be talking about Capital One money market account. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going to be looking at the key features. All right. So the first key feature that we have is competitive interest rates. So competitive interest rates. So, Capital One's money market account offers an interest rate that is higher than most traditional savings accounts. Now, while not as high as some online high yield savings accounts, the APY remains competitive. Now, interest rates may vary depending on your account balance. So, balances under $10,000 they typically have a lower annual percentage yield, or you could also say APY. And balances of $10,000 or more have a higher APY, allowing you to maximize your savings. Now, since interest rates fluctuate with market conditions, it's very important to check the current APY before opening an account. Then we have no monthly fee. All right. So, unlike many traditional banks that charge monthly maintenance fees, the Capital One MMA or money market account does not have a monthly service fee. And this allows your savings to grow without being eroded by unnecessary costs. Then we have easy access to funds. So, easy access to funds. So, a money market account functions similarly to a savings account but provides limited checking privileges, including ATM withdrawals, online transfers and bill payments, mobile check deposits. However, MMAs are not the same as checking accounts, meaning there may be restrictions on how often you can withdraw the money. Then we have FDIC insurance. So, FDIC insurance. So your deposits in a Capital One money market account are FDIC insured up to $50,000 per depositor, ensuring your money is safe in case of a bank failure. Then we have mobile banking and digital tools. So mobile banking and digital tools. So with Capital One's mobile app and online banking, you can check your balance and track interest earnings, set up direct deposits and auto transfers, deposit checks using mobile deposit, and pay bills and manage transactions. Then we have minimum opening deposit. So minimum opening deposit. So Capital One generally does not require a high minimum deposit to open a money market account, making it accessible to a wide range of savers. Then we have limited check writing capabilities. So limiting, I meant to write limited check writing capabilities. So, unlike traditional checking accounts, money market accounts allow limited check writing privileges. However, Capital One may restrict the number of withdrawals or transactions per month. So, alright guys, that is it for the key features. Now we're gonna go ahead and look at the pros. Alright, so the first pro that we have is higher interest than traditional savings account. So, higher interest. Now, money market account typically offers better interest rates than standard savings accounts, helping your money to grow faster over time. Then we have no monthly fee. So many banks charge fees for maintaining an account, but Capital One's MMA does not, making it a cost-effective saving option. Then we have FDIC. So your funds are protected up to $250,000, providing peace of mind against financial institution failures. Then we have convenient online and mobile banking. So online and mobile banking. So with 24/7 access through Capital One's website and mobile app, you can easily manage your savings, pay bills, and transfer funds from anywhere. Then we have some check writing and debit access. So some check writing and debit access. So unlike traditional savings accounts, MMA allows limited check writing and debit transactions, giving you more flexibility while keeping your savings intact. Then we have no minimum balance requirement. So many high-yield savings accounts require a large balance to earn interest, but Capital One's MMA lets you start savings with low initial deposit. So, alright guys, that is it for the pros. Now we're gonna go ahead and look at the cons. So the first con that we have is interest interest rates may not be the highest. May not be highest. So while Capital One's MMA offers a competitive interest rate, some online banks and high-yield savings accounts may provide better APYs. Then we have limited transactions per month. So money market accounts often have transaction limits set by the bank, such as limited withdrawals per statement cycle. Excessive transactions may result in fees, and this makes MMA less flexible than checking accounts. Then we have no physical branch support. So no physical branch support. So Capital One operates as a digital first bank, meaning customers rely on online and mobile banking. While there are Capital One cafes in some cities, branch locations are limited compared to traditional banks. So it may require high balance for a higher interest rate, okay? So to unlock the highest APY, you may need to maintain a minimum balance of $10,000 or more. And then we have no full checking account feature. So no full checking account features. So even though MMAs offer some debit card and check writing capabilities, they do not replace a traditional checking account. So now we're going to be looking at the final verdict. Now, the Capital One money market account is a great choice for those looking to earn higher interest rates than a traditional savings accounts, while maintaining some access to their funds. With no monthly fees, online and mobile banking, and FDIC insurance, it's a safe and convenient option for growing your savings. However, if you need frequent transactions, in-person banking, or the highest possible APY, you might want to explore high-yield savings accounts or check alternatives. So, alright, guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.